The driver initially is obviously to make the homes that we're building as economical as physically possible. On this particular site we couldn't achieve the wastewater sustainability criteria, so we've gone down the route of the clean water. There's obviously at the minute with the cost of living crisis and everything that's coming with it, we're just trying to do everything within our power to make it as sort of feasible and as economical as we possibly can. This is one of the methods that we can use to reduce the costs for the homeowner once they've moved in. It should reduce the water bills substantially just by simply sort of adapting the fixtures and fittings of the taps and sinks, showers, etc. The planning element to it is we have to submit the proof that these fittings will meet the criteria set out by UU. So the only real challenge is to get that information secured and approved by United Utilities, which falls into their approval process for the clean water mains on site. So it all forms part of that application to United Utilities via our multi-utility provider on this particular scheme. The process is very straightforward from our perspective. I think it's about 6 to 12 weeks for design approvals to come through, and that would include the approval of these additional sustainable points and criteria. The customers themselves, they're definitely pleased with the measures that we're taking to help reduce their monthly payments to United Utilities. It's something that they come looking for and asking effectively, is there any way that any sustainable products that are being utilised in your homes that will achieve as lesser bills as possible. It's been a massive knock-on effect from UU setting that precedent. The business have taken that in their stride to make sure that not just the Northwest region but the whole business are now working to that same standard to provide customers with the most sustainable products that are on the market currently. So it's a huge selling point to Keepmoat, and also it benefits the customer in the long run. We're a UK national house builder that's looking to optimise every opportunity to be as sustainable and environmentally friendly as we can possibly be. That's whether it's electric vehicle charging and water usage. It has a massive impact on the business and what we're trying to sell as a business and market ourselves as a green, environmentally friendly and sustainable product. Keepmoat are keen to work sustainable when it comes to water usage to ensure that what's going back into the wider network is at a minimum. Therefore, United Utilities is sort of benefiting themselves from what Keepmoat are rolling out in terms of the reduced water usage. So that means reduced input and resource from United Utilities side and potentially reducing any leaks on the wider network. We're also looking at even greener properties where the house basically speaks to the customer in terms of your lighting, everything sort of supplied electronically, everything talks to the customer, and this product and the specification that we're installing in these plots to achieve the reduced rates adds to that sort of environmentally green, all singing or dancing product. So I think there should be standard procedure, not just for Keepmoat, but for the wider house building world, if you like, in the UK. We've got to be on the front foot and at the forefront of anything sustainable, and what we're building has an impact on the future generations who will be living in these properties, so it needs to be as sustainable and economical as physically possible. So it's down to us as house builders to make sure that that's the case and we're moving forward in the right direction.